Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Liz here at Liz the Paper Project. So this video is actually just going to be a quick share of what I'm doing for my December daily. Hopefully it will inspire you and give you some ideas. I usually change things every year when it comes to my December daily, but I think going back to this is going to be so fun. I also wanted to mention that I do have, how many videos? I have quite a few videos on my channel that I have shared in the past that are all Christmas themed, holiday themed crafts. And I have a playlist right now. If you want to check things out, I have things on, I should say videos on how I've made gift bags. There's different ways to make gift bags. I have some folios that I've made using various products, in particular junk mail envelopes that I really love those for that purpose. I have a few one sheet wonder projects that are Christmas themed. I also have a clutch where I used tissue box covers for those. I have an easy way to make shakers. The easiest one that I love to use for, making easy shakers. I have that there. Of course, I have, what is it? What else do I have in there? I'm trying to remember the other projects, but I will link that playlist below for you to check out. And of course, I'll be sharing some more things throughout the month of December. I do have an update as well for snail mail. The snail mail pals that I mentioned. So that video is coming up after this one. But I wanted to mention that quickly before I get started. Okay, so I found this felt binder at a thrift store for like 50 cents because I got it 50% off of this, if you can believe it. And as soon as I saw it, I picked it up because I know I want to do something with the cover. Now I left this on so you could see that, it was not a very expensive thing to get. Of course, you could certainly get things from your own stash already. Any binder, any size that you have would work. I prefer the smaller ones because, these work well. I did use like a recipe book at one point, a hardcover recipe book for my Christmas journal. I will also have that video linked in that playlist so you can get an idea of how I've used that. But anyways, taking you to this one. I've done something a little different. And I've been seeing a lot of people using, what is it called? Like I guess like a planner style. Of course, you can use your old planner, your rings as well if you're not using them for something else. And this one has like, pockets that I'll be using, etc. But I wanted to show you a couple of pages that I've started with. So I'm using some metal dies for this project, and it is actually going to be from In Love Arts. I have shared an unboxing for them. I will link that below. There's discount codes and also links to all the dies I'm going to be showing you. The first one I used was this snowflake one, and I really, really like it because, you could do so many things with it. So it's this snowflake thing. It comes with a smaller snowflake as well. And the way the small snowflake punches out, it actually just does the embossing. I want to show you that. So I thought that was really neat that it does the embossing. And then the center of the snowflake, I hope I can pull it out, is this, it actually does like a stitched circle. So I thought that was really neat to, to kind of have sort of like three pieces that come from one. So I wanted to show you that. I think the reindeer was from one of their past collections. And then I did have like a paper punch. I could have used some of the other dies, but I wanted to use my paper punch, to make some snowflakes. And so this page, so the page itself, what I wanted to do is to decorate it now and then have a spot to put something on the side, maybe a photo, maybe something that I've journaled on, that sort of thing. I think this is what might make it easier for me this year for doing I'm going to call it my Christmas maybe, because I'm not sure how much I'll be getting to journal in here. So this was just a page that I had from um, you know, from a past item. I just added like a little paper bag. So far, these are all the pages. I'll be adding more as I go, but I did want to film that process with you. So I'll be coming back showing you what I'm adding to this and how I'm sort of preparing it for my December maybe. All right, so this page here, again, is using the metal dies from In Love Arts, and it was the little mug with the candy cane and the little hat. And I did show you that one as well. I'm just trying to pull it up here. So it's this one here. And it comes with a few other pieces that I didn't use in this one. I did use a little Gingy from a past die set. And then here, I wanted to use this, this is from vintage wallpaper that I have. I have like a collection. I did have a set in my shop a while back, but those sold out. So basically, I cut this off of a big piece of wallpaper, and it had like this cute little tablecloth, and so I just cut that up to use it as a tablecloth. I added a tag here so I could do some journaling. Maybe I'll add a small photo, and then you know, that's sort of it for this side. I didn't want to do too much. I'm trying to jump to the next pages that I have here. This page, I thought it came out so cute. I'm so happy with it, and I'm just going to show you. So it comes, this is the set. Okay, it has all the pieces to it. Now I only ended up using like the inside circle that punched out and then the base. And so of course it punches out the outside as well. And then you have all these little trees and things, but I only ended up using the houses for this one. I colored them in. I did a little bit of paper piecing here so it looked like, you know, an actual shaker. Snow globe, I should say. And then here I added like a space so I can either journal, but I left it open at the top, so if I wanted to slip a photo in there, I could. And of course I left the side open for you know, for journaling and that sort of thing. And then on this side, I decided to use a wreath. This is the wreath die that I showed, and again, I showed you the unboxing in a previous video. So this is the wreath, and I decided to use it for this page. I kind of did like a double wreath, and I think it went just so beautiful with the colors. This piece is from a making and creating kit, and I do have discount code for them, and I'll link that below. But yeah, I'm so excited about this December journal because as I'm kind of decorating pages, I'm getting inspired and ideas on how I'm going to be putting all this together. And so I just wanted to show you the start of it. I'll come back and show you some of the other pages I've been working on. And then I'm also going to show you, you know, the process. So let me know if you want to see that or if you just want to see it when I'm finished. Don't forget to like, hit that notification to know when I have a video coming up. And questions, comments, of course, leave them below. Don't forget to follow me on my coffee. I'm doing a bit of a destash. I'm putting things together, so I'll be updating my shop periodically before I probably even make a video. So if you wanted to check out what I have in the shop as well before the videos come up, don't forget to follow me there. All right, my friends, so that was it. I will have links to what I showed you in the description box below. Let me know what you're using for your Christmas journal, if you're doing a daily, if you're doing anything different, or if you just skip Christmas altogether and, you know, wait to the new year. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more of what I've done here, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.